To begin with Bulk Mockup, we go to File, then Scripts, and then go to Bulk Mockup v2. Let's explore the Bulk Mockup dialog box. We can see the different options and buttons in the box. First one is the PSD template folder. Here we select the PSD template. The next is the export location. We select the export location here. This is followed by the design location. The design files will be selected here. This is the checkbox for design resize. When our design sizes are not in accordance with template, we use it to resize the designs. We take a detour to prepare the files. We have 3 folders here. One is the Mockup template folder, where we have all our PSD templates. Then we have the Designs folder and we have the designs here. Next we have Export folder, where all the generated mockups will be exported. We go back to Photoshop. This is for the PSD templates and we browse and select it. This one here is for the export location. We will browse and select it. The last one is for design files. Now we select the design files. We will uncheck the resize option and hit run. You can see the PSD template is opened. Let's open the export folder and see the magic. All the designs are placed and exported. Now we can see the second template has been opened. Similarly, all the PSD template will open one by one, and the designs will be exported. This is how Bulk Mockup works. To purchase this incredible tool, click the Buy Now link.